Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner, aka the woman that makes all chicken recipes. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so I don't even have a name for this chicken. I'm just gonna cook up some chicken. I have onion powder or garlic powder, red pepper flakes, lemons. I have onion, and this is my ginger. I always tell you guys exactly what ginger that is. I just put it below. If you have regular ginger, use it. They're pretty much the same thing. Red peppers, honey, soy sauce, and black and white sesame seeds. Right here I chopped up really small some boneless skinless chicken thighs, and that's what we're going to use. If you don't have or like boneless skinless chicken thighs, you can use breast. If you're going to use wings or something with the bone or something like that, I would recommend, baking it basically. So in here you're going to add your onion and ginger, because that's what we're going to season it up with. The peppers, the red chili flakes. You need some heat. We are using honey. Even though we have a lot of other savory items going on here, you still want to make sure you're good. You're going to add your garlic powder. I want a lot of that down in there, especially since I don't have fresh garlic. And your soy sauce. You're going to allow this to marinate for about 30 minutes. I mean, it's all going to get cooked down in a pot. Doesn't need to be marinated overnight. As you can see, I'm not adding salt. If I do need salt, it's going to be at the end, but I am absolutely not adding salt. This is full fat, full sodium soy sauce. Allow this to marinate, and then we're going to sear it off on the stove and add all the other, making a mess, ingredients. Alright, you guys, I'm going to add my chicken down in here. My heat is on maximum high. And we're going to try and get a little bit of color on here. Like when you put it in there, leave it just like that. Don't mess with it. Alright, you guys, so I was able to get a little color on there. As you know, once we start adding the honey and stuff, it's going to get even more caramelized. So far, it's been sauteing up for about 5 minutes. I'm going to give it a couple more minutes, so we're going to add the lemon juice and honey. Alright guys, so I'm going to start adding my lemon juice down in here. You might get a couple seeds, just fish them out, or you could just strain it out. No biggie. And then you're going to start adding your honey. It's going to be about a 1/4 cup of honey. Remember, we have all those savory ingredients in there, all that soy sauce. I did not add salt to this. I will not be adding salt to this. Mix it up and allow it to simmer another 5-10 minutes. Then we're going to add the sesame seeds. Alright, you guys, so this is my chicken right here. And what you could serve this up with, you could serve this up with noodles, rice, mashed potatoes. I'm serving this up with some rice and a salad. So that's basically what I'm calling it. It's Wednesday. I'm not trying to do too much. You can see the sesame seeds down in there. I'm going to top it off with some more. This is the bowl I'm going to be serving it into. That's why I'm piling it in there. Ooh, this smells, guys, don't leave out that ginger. It smells so crazy. Like, it smells insane. It's not overly seasoned. It's not overly salted. I did not need salt. I used full sodium soy sauce. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my black and white sesame seeds and just sprinkle a little bit more fresh ones on top. This also gives it better presentation and extra crunch. I swear I could never run out of ways to make chicken. And I really like this one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, simple, fast recipe, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.